Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 99designs account. 99designs is a popular online platform that connects businesses with freelance designers from around the world. It offers a variety of design services including logo design, web design and branding. Client can either run design contests to receive multiple submissions or hire designers directly for one-on-one projects. The platform is known for its diverse community of talented designers and its ability to provide creative solutions tailored to specific business needs. Now, dive into the video. First, you have to click on login at the top right corner of your screen. Those who have account on 99designs, they can continue with their email and password. Also they can use their Google account and Facebook account or their Apple ID, but we are going to create an account. For a new account submission, we can just click on create an account or we can just click on continue with Google. We also can use our Google account, our Facebook account or our Apple ID. I'm going to continue with my Google account. Now select your account, then click on the continue button and the 99design will redirect you to the account creation process. First, you need to choose one of the two options here. I need something designed or I am a designer. Let's pick up I'm a designer for now. Click on it, then click on continue button here. Now you will go through some steps, some verification step that you are a designer and you just simply need to fill up some personal details. Now click on continue button. Now ready for the road ahead. That's means you will need to go through some steps. As I said before, in this page they will inform you about their community standard. You can read their full community standard and term and policy by clicking on view, and here you can see the topic is specified. If you need to know anything about, then you can click on this and the information is properly decorated in this page. The more you know, the more you grow. After completing reading this article, you just simply click on let's go. Here they will guide you through simple 5 steps. First, the essentials. We will collect some basic information about you, such as your name, avatar, time zone and the languages you speak. This is the first step. Like this, you will go through simple 4 steps more. Now for proceed the first steps, just simply click on continue button. Here you can add your display name. Now I'm going to add my name here. You can also see their guidance about your name, display name and other all the steps by clicking on this view button. You can also control your privacy of your information that you give in. Now click on the next button. You also can choose your avatar. You can add your profile picture from your file. Select your picture and click on open, or you can just drag and drop your profile picture, then click on next button. Here you need to set up your time zone, search for your continent and city. Now click on next again. Now you have to select your preferred languages. When you are done, just click on the next button again. Here they said that the first step is successfully completed. Click on complete section button. Now head to the second step, your creative journey. Would like to learn more about your background, collect your social media links and current address. Click on start button. Then you can write a bio about you. Remember, a bio is way more important for the attention of the clients and describe about yourself. So write an interesting and eye-catchy bio for your profile. This bio will appear in your profile, but I'm going to skip it for now for the video. Now the next step is share your social link. You can add your links here by clicking on this add link button. You can add multiple links by clicking on add link button again and again, and also you can delete the links. Just copy and paste the URL and that's all. Next, you need to enter your address like country, address line 1, address line 2, city and town and state. After completing the details, just click on next. Now, they are showing me this because I don't have cleared this step, but when you complete these steps, they will congratulate you for the completing the second step. Now, head to the next step. In this third step, you will see our code of conduct. This defines our site policies and helps guide your participation in our community. In this page, you can know about the policy of 99designs, and they will teach you about their community standards and the terms. When you finish reading the terms and conditions, then click on next. Then you will see a statement here that are you on board. At 99designs, you have the chance to grow through rewarding creative projects and client connections. To take advantage of this opportunity, you must be prepared to follow our designer code of conduct. Now agree with them by clicking on this checkbox, and here you can see the complete section button. Then the fourth step is ready to be done. Here you need to showcase your design and works or portfolio as the sample. You can drag and drop your file or image from your file section. Also, you can add your design title and you can add an attractive description for your sample work. Then after completing, you can click on add design to add the sample as your portfolio. You can add multiple image or file or anything that you want to be uploaded as your sample work in 99designs. You also can learn more from their instructions that provided by 99designs themselves from this view option. Now I'm going to skip this option for now. You can also add your portfolio of another social media account or any website. Now the last but not least, the review your steps. Take a final look at the information you have shared, and a member of our designer curation team will evaluate this application based on a strict set of quality standards. So make sure you have put your best foot forward. That's mean, remember, you have to add your authentic and real and attractive information that can attract other customers. Those type of information you need to give them. Then they will review your profile, and when they feel that you are a good fit for them, they will approve your profile. That's all. You just need to follow, learn and accomplish the steps properly to get an approval in 99designs. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We will meet you again with another informative video. Till then, stay tuned.